Hi, today I'm going to show you an AI app store that's really good and free, and it has a lot of tools that you can play with. Now you can see this is an app called huggingface.co/spaces. If you want to search for it, just go to Google and then search up Spaces AI. Now just click on this website and you can see it'll open up an AI website like this, right? Now you can see there's a lot of AI tools we can use. You can see there's so much here. Now you can see there's music generation, medical imaging, financial analysis, image upscaling, background remover, voice cloning. There's a lot. Now you can see we can chat with DeepSeek VL here, generate text based on images and prompts. We can do Kokoro text to speech. Now let's try this. For example, I want to do a text to speech. I want to type something and then I want to turn it to speech so I can use it on my videos, for example, right? Now you can see when I click on the tool, this is what will come up. It'll say loading model device slash web GPU. It'll basically run this AI from our web itself, right? So let's just let it load for a second here. Now you can see once it's loaded, it'll look like this. You can see life is like a box of chocolates. You never know what you're gonna get. I can click on generate here and it'll generate my text here into speech. Now let's just wait for it to generate real quick. Now once it's generated, you'll see this is what the text will look like. And if I click on play here,
Life is like a box of chocolates. You never know what you're
you
going to
see
get.
it played the audio really nicely. Now this is just one of the many things we can do with this site. This is me very lightly scratching the surface. There's basically anything you can do with here. Like for example, I want to do image generation. I'm going to search image. And you can see it'll pull up a lot of AI tools that I could use for me. I want to do something with math, for example, math here. You can see there's a lot of AI that could help you with math. Even chemistry, I think, is possible. So chemistry, like this. Now on chemistry, you can see there's an organic chemistry assistant, multitest and chemistry T5, kinetics, ChemPaths. Now you can see this is a really powerful tools. And of course, all of it is free. So it's really good if you could take advantage of all of these as well. So if you enjoyed this video, please do consider liking and subscribing.